In this video, I'll show you how you can stop Google from automatically opening new tabs. Now first guys, what we need to do is we need to open up our Google browser. And once we're in here, we're going to click on the three little dots up here. From in here, we're going to go to settings, as you can see right here. Click on it. From in here, you should be able to see all of these in the left corner. You're going to click on startup. Now once you're in here, you have three options. You can open the new tab page. This is when you open Google browser and it will show up just like this. Or continue where you left off, means it will continue where you left off. It's kind of self-explanatory. And open a specific page or set of pages. You can do this, then you can add a specific page you want it to open on whenever you open up the Google Chrome browser. I have mine set to this, so that's basically how you do it.